not to smell it. No matter what, you just chew and chew and chew and chew. Okay. And then you can have the drinks. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
We have just come to the Borgarnes Settlement Center, and this is in the Snaefellsnes region, Peninsula region. I really hope I pronounced that right. I did ask the guide several times, and guess who I'm with? It's Sabina!
We should have practiced this. It's me. You probably don't know me, but here I am.
You should know her. You probably do know her. This is Sabina from Girl vs. Globe. I'm going to leave a link to her channel there. We're going to be spending the next few days together, eating and exploring around Iceland, and I cannot wait! And first of all, we're now going to go in and try a few local dishes.
I'm excited.
Are you ready? Are you hungry? We're so hungry.
I'm really excited. I hear there's going to be a few controversies on the menu.
Oh, we're about to find out. And there's one thing you should know about me and Sabina is that we both love to eat, and we both have a bottomless appetite. So
this is going to be great.
This is going to be a great trip. We tried a very traditional dish of fish casserole served over dark white bread, and now I have lamb with roasted root vegetables. So I'm just going to do it in one big bite. It's super tender. I didn't think it was lamb because it's so light. Be right back. I'm now going to get the horse footed, but that was delicious. I have horse meat now, and I've never tried this one before. Oh my gosh, that is full of flavour. If I didn't know this was horse footed, I would have thought it was beef, venison. That's delicious. I could have a whole bit of that one. How many is left? Okay, the final thing. This is the fish soup. Ooh, it's a little bit spicy, you know. This would warm the cockles in the winter, and it's very, very Moorish as well. Anyway, I hear a glass of Prosecco calling my name, so let's go get Prosecco. Arrived at the hotel, and I thought I'll show you a quick room tour before we head downstairs for dinner and then a sneak peek of the dining room, and it is stunning. But before I go down in 5 minutes, let me quickly show you what the room looks like. It's like 10 to 9 right now, and it's still bright sunshine outside, and look at the view from my window. I've got the top floor. Wow, look, got a little house in the distance, and then see the water. Now cue the smooth silky footage of this room. Here we go, baby. Okay, mine's my hair. It is a complete novelty to me that currently it is 11 p.m. in the evening. It is still light outside. I've never experienced anything like this. I'm just like, what? I need to brush my teeth, get myself into this big old comfy bed. Good night, my loves. Today is our first full day here in Iceland, and look at this gorgeous gorgeous view behind me. We're going to be spending the whole day exploring around the area of Snaefellsnes, and hopefully this will give you a little bit of an insight and a taster of what Iceland has to offer, specifically from a food and seafood point of view. Let me go down and show you a little bit more. Such a rarity to see this view with the peaks of the glacier behind us, because normally it's a lot more atmospheric and it's covered with the clouds and it's a completely different vibe. So we've been very lucky to be able to see this view. So I'm just standing in front of it, just absolutely in awe, because it is breathtaking. It is so incredibly beautiful, and just seeing all the different colours, the peaks of the glacier surrounded by the mountains, it just feels so I just feel so lucky to be here. What are we off to do now? And coffee. We're going to be eating a lot today, and we are not mad about it, especially when we're surrounded with views like this. Saved you just in time. Look behind me right now. We are currently at the Black Sand Beach, and it is breathtaking here. I could stay here all day. Oh my gosh, look at this view. I can't believe I am here. Okay, after all of the excitement from the Black Sand Beach, it's now time for lunch, baby, at this restaurant here. And the fish that we had today, the cod, was actually delivered here yesterday. You can see everything all being processed here. I'll show you some more, hang on. So a lot of the restaurants and eateries here have a farm to table concept, including the seafood here. So all of the local fish you enjoy can only be found in the region. If you were to want to try a specific type of local fish, then you would come to the local area itself to come and try it, which I love, because then it differentiates each region by itself. But it's so fascinating. I haven't ever experienced this before, and seeing everything all in action, I don't want to get in the way, but it is just fascinating just to see the full process behind all of that, and how it is such an integral part to Iceland's heritage, culture, and it's one of the biggest industries here as well. And to be able to witness a little part of all of the hard work they do, feels very cool to be able to witness this. surreal being here. I know I keep saying it, but it is truly so stunning, and the sun is shining, surrounded by gorgeous views like this. Just happy to be alive and happy to be enjoying this. So cheesy. Might be all the cheese I had earlier, but look at it. Let me show you a little bit more. I can't. Every time I think about it, I am actually like cheering up because I'm just so grateful to be here, and I just feel so lucky. So thank you for always just making this possible. Oh, it's so nice. Nice. That's the worst word I could ever use to describe how I feel right now. Exquisite, stunning, amazing. Okay, let's get back on the bus. Whew.
We are now trying fermented shark.
The story of the Black Death is, in the 30s, we are not allowed to drink because of the prohibition. The government decided to, okay, it's time. So in 1935, they said, well, we can't give the people of Iceland beer, they would just be drunks. So they decided to make brennivín, 40% made of potatoes and cumin.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like, and people, and they put it, yeah, cumin, and then they put it in green bottles to make it ugly, and then they made the label like black with a skull on it. Why? Because it's poison. People loved it, and they were just like, yay, and became drunks. 64 years later, we got beer. So 1st of March 1989, we got beer. And then in the 80s, they changed it to this like see-through bottle. Okay, you are not to smell it. No matter what, you just chew and chew and chew and chew. And then you can have the drinks. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
No, just no, be open-minded, open-minded. Remember where the toilets are.
I don't love it.
Yeah, just keep on going, and then something will happen.
Oh, definitely.
We have this yet?
Oh.
Wait. What is happening?
Right. That's like a
It's not the worst thing I've ever eaten.
No, isn't that bad?
Well done.
Yeah. Cheers.
Chug it.
Painful.
Woo.
Yes.
Are you okay?
It's staying in, it's staying in.
What did we think of House of Food?
I thought it was fantastic.
What a delight. It's one of the top things we've done so far.
Definitely recommend, yeah. Do try the rotten shark, it's a delicacy.
I don't know what I was expecting. It's very, very chewy.
Yeah.
But definitely have it with the Black Death. I shot of that afterwards.